In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Kaiber support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to say so you can get help quickly and get back to creating. First, make sure you're logged into your Kaiber account. Support tools are designed to recognize your account, which helps the team see relevant details about your plan and recent activity. Open Kaiber in your browser or app, sign in with your usual credentials, and wait for the dashboard to fully load. Having a stable internet connection helps the support widget appear smoothly. If you're switching between accounts, double check that you're signed in to the correct one so your conversation history and any open tickets stay in one place. Once you're in, look to the lower right corner of the screen. You should see a small question mark icon. That's the Help and Support launcher. It may look like a question mark inside a circle or a chat-style bubble. Give the page a moment. Sometimes the widget appears a few seconds after the rest of the interface. If you don't see it, try briefly resizing your window or ensuring that pop-up or script blockers aren't hiding it. On mobile, the icon is usually in the same corner, though it might shift slightly depending on your screen size. Clicking that question mark opens Kaiber's messaging tool. This is your direct line to support. You'll see a chat window where you can type your message and, in some cases, choose a topic to help route your request. Start with a clear, one-sentence summary of what you need, whether it's a billing question, a technical issue, or help understanding a feature. Then add concise details that will help the team reproduce or understand the problem. What you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what you actually saw. If it's relevant, include your device type, browser version, and any error messages. If the tool allows attachments, screenshots, or short screen recordings can be incredibly helpful. Keep your message focused and never include sensitive information like full passwords or payment details. After you send your message, the chat window will confirm it's been received. Response times may vary based on volume, but you can leave the chat and come back later. Your conversation will be saved. If you reply to follow-up questions promptly and keep everything in the same thread, you'll usually reach a resolution faster. That's all there is to it. Log into Kaiber, click the question mark at the lower right, and use the messaging tool to reach support. Keep your message clear and complete, and you'll be on your way to a quick solution.